everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving week. And you know, there's nothing more wrinkly and crepey looking than turkey skin, raw turkey skin. And no wonder we have the phrase turkey neck for that loose, crepey skin that happens just under the chin for a lot of folks as we get older. But you know what? Today I'm giving you a technique that's going to work, erase crepey skin instantly and make it look better and better over time. You can do it right after your morning skincare routine. You can do it at night. You can do it whenever. You can do it anywhere on the body, and it's going to absolutely work. Now, when we talk about what causes crepey skin, some obvious things. One, a lot of it's sun damage. Years of accumulated sun damage really do add up and cause problems, but more so, our skin gets drier as we get older. We produce less collagen, elastin fibers become looser, and our skin gets that crepey, loose look. To combat that and erase that look on your skin, there are two things you have to keep in mind. We need to trap as much moisture as possible in those upper layers of skin, and we need to replace lipids or fats that the skin has also lost in order to help lift and plump out that structure. Now, there are a lot of products on the market, high-end products designed specifically to do this, because a lot of folks have realized that when we use just regular moisturizer, especially heavy oil-laden moisturizers that contain things like wax and mineral oil, they only make the skin look greasy and not nice and smooth and youthful. And of course, just goes without saying, the older you get, the more likely you are to have these issues. I have them on both arms just below my biceps because I work out, been lifting those weights for a really long time, stretching that area of skin and damaging its structure. And while it keeps me in shape and healthy, it does damage the structure of my skin there in these areas. So I'm going to show you what I do, as you might expect. Super simple and easy. Two things you're going to need is a way to apply extra moisture. This is best done after a shower or a bath when your skin is going to be holding the most moisture it's going to have for that day, but can truly be done anytime you notice your skin looking a bit dry and crepey. The other product that I use for this, in fact, I use this for my face all the time, is Mario Badescu's facial spray. It can be used anywhere you're treating for crepey skin. This one contains soothing aloe, which is very healing to the skin. It contains calming sage and, of course, skin brightening and antioxidant-filled orange blossom extract. Really great formulation. You just lightly spray the areas you want to treat, neck, chest, arms on me, face even, doesn't matter, and just pat that in. And you have about 4 to 5 minutes before this moisture will be gone. And we want to trap that moisture using a specially formulated product to help with crepey skin before the transepidermal moisture loss happens and we're right back where we started from. Again, moisture, 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 hydration, hydration, hydration. Okay, now the product that I like to use and have been using for the last 4 years for my crepey areas is City Beauty's Invisicrepe Body Balm. I love this stuff. I use it religiously. And the reason that I like it so much and it works so well are the specific ingredients that they included in it. As you guys know, they've been following me for a while. On my channel, it's all about ingredients and effectiveness over brand name and price. They start with niacinamide, very calming to the skin, helps boost your other skincare products' ability to work in the skin, actually brightens and evens skin tone and gives it back some of its natural elasticity. Then they included a natural lipid complex to help replace those natural fats that your skin loses, helping to plump up that skin, again, stretch that skin back out, give it its youthful appearance. And then the most important ingredient, I think, is Ribos, which is made from a sugar, actually helps increase collagen and elastin production in your actual skin layers, which of course is going to make your skin look better and better over time. So it's simple to apply this. You just take a little dab of it, apply it to the treated area with a circular motion, a light circular motion, until it's completely absorbed, and just watch the crepey skin disappear. I like to use this after my neck creams as a last step, just an extra way to cap moisture in that skin. And then of course I'll apply a little more here to my other arm where I have these crepey areas just under my biceps and the bend of my elbow, my inner elbow. Looks amazing, instantly improves the look of crepey, dry skin anywhere, and it lasts throughout the day, can be used again morning or night. But these two steps together can greatly improve the way your skin looks right away and in the future. Now, as always, I will put a link down below for these two products in the video description box, so you can go check them out for yourself. Get them if you want. If you do use them, please come back to the video. Let us know how they work for you. And of course, for more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, please be sure and check out this video coming up next. Thank you guys as always for being so supportive and watching these videos and sharing out my work. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.